Clear Supply is an AI-driven platform that helps Canadian small and medium-sized enterprises to reduce the cognitive and operational burden of sustainability reporting and enable to make informed, responsible supply chain decisions with confidence. In this demo, I'll walk you through our MVP experience, focusing specifically on how users assess sustainability risks and performance across their supply chain. This is Taylor. She is an operations manager at a mid-sized manufacturing company. Every day, Taylor works with large amounts of operational and sustainability data. It's difficult for her to understand where her supply chain stands or what to improve. Taylor discovers Clear Supply, an AI-driven supply chain sustainability platform. She downloads the app on her phone and gets started. Taylor enters her company name and selects her industry. She chooses an assessment scope and begins inputting operational details, including electricity usage, water consumption, and gas usage. Within moments, Clear Supply generates a sustainability supply chain report. Taylor sees a clear overall sustainability score, along with simple charts showing performance across different production lines. The platform highlights key risks and identifies specific areas for improvement. Taylor downloads the report as a PDF. Soon, the report arrives on her computer. The insights are clear, structured, and easy to share with her team. Each section includes links to recommended next steps. Taylor clicks through and sees a prioritized list of improvements, organized by impact and level of effort, allowing her team to start, track, and manage changes immediately. Taylor feels confident and motivated. Clear Supply becomes part of her daily workflow. A few months later, she receives a notification. Her sustainability score has improved. She opens the app to review progress across active projects, track completed actions, and explore updated reports with deeper insights. The Assessment Center, Taylor can view each assessment in detail. Performance graphs clearly show progress over time. Key performance indicators highlight what is improving and what still needs attention. The assessment is structured across 3 pillars: environmental impact, governance, and social responsibility. This allows Taylor to understand sustainability performance from multiple perspectives,